It's time to talk about the MyPhonak app, which is one of my favorite areas. Wearers that are seeking to make adjustments to their hearing aids themselves, this is a really key area because it gives you the ability to adjust a lot of different areas of the hearing aid. The app itself connects through low energy Bluetooth directly through to your smartphone. The MyPhonak app has a range of features from simple volume adjustments to program adjustments to more in-depth adjustments that will take a little bit more practice to master, but if you basically stick at it, you're going to get a really good outcome. For those wishing to get a little bit more technical, you can even make some small frequency adjustments as well as increase or decrease noise reduction. It actually doesn't even stop there. The MyPhonak app gives you a lot of opportunity. You can even adjust the directionality and the focus of the microphones on your hearing aid. This feature is great in noise when you want to focus on a person directly in front of you in an environment that's relatively noisy. It will actually narrow that beam and give you better clarity. You can adjust the compression settings so you can increase or decrease the loud and soft sounds without actually decreasing the overall volume of the hearing aid. Finally, these settings can be saved for future use. So if you have a place that you regularly go to, such as a boardroom, an office, a cafe, to catch up with an old friend, you can actually save that location. Before we close this section off, I want to talk to you about a real-world example that I had a few months ago. I had a client call me and he was actually at his daughter's wedding, so quite a significant event on a Friday afternoon. He was struggling with the PA systems that were at that venue, and he asked me if there's anything I could do to help. He didn't currently have the app because he wasn't interested at the time of the fitting, which is fine. So what we did was we got him to download the MyPhonak app, and he called me back the following Monday after making his own adjustments. He was so happy with the existing settings and the flexibility of the app that he said there was no point even coming in for his next adjustment. He said, you don't actually realize the additional assistance of the app until you actually need it. And when you do need it, that's when the app comes to your rescue. We're told that an update of the Phonak app is due at the end of March 2020, so this will improve the app even further. At Ear Deals, we cannot wait because we're big fans of the MyPhonak app because it gives so much opportunity and flexibility to people across Australia, particularly those in rural and remote locations. And it really does assist those with very active lifestyles that are entering really difficult environments more regularly than others. For our clients that have already got the MyPhonak app and are wishing to understand the new adjustments to that app at the end of March, please give us a call and we can take you through it. At Ear Deals, all our hearing aid prices are available online in full transparency, alongside our free hearing aid service package. To see our prices online, please visit www.eardeals.com.au. Our standard of testing includes real ear measurement, or REMS. Ear Deals conducts a full diagnostic free hearing test, so you know that the quality of our testing matches the quality of our big brand hearing aids. Finally, Ear Deals has the National Safety and Quality Health Service Standard. We are one of only a few hearing clinics who have this high level of accreditation in Australia.